Next, let's talk about online boutiques. Nowadays, people spend an astonishing amount of time on their phones. Internet has become an inseparable part of modern life. This has proved to be beneficial for many businesses as internet is the ideal advertising platform. If you have decided to open a boutique, you also need to maintain an online presence. There are two ways to go about this. The easier way is to put up your products on pre-existing a website like Amazon, eBay, etc. for sale. This has both its pros and cons. On one hand, you will not have to spend time creating a website and brand images. You will be on a pre-manufactured platform used by tens of thousands of people across the globe. But on the other hand, you might get lost in the sea of cheaply made clothes. Many people will have the same idea as you and will put up their products on the same website as you. This will create competition and confusion, and you might end up getting no customer at all. Then there comes the matter of reviews. If you sell even a single damaged product, your rating will plummet and you might end up ruining the image of your business. If you do, however, want to put up your clothes on such website, make sure to include a good amount of photographs so the customer knows what they are buying. Provide proper measurements, details about the material, how the garment should be worn, washed and maintained. The photos you take should be in natural lighting so the customer have a good idea of how the color will actually look. The other way is to create your own website. This will require much more time and work, but this will be your own platform. If done properly, this can be highly beneficial. You can hire a professional to design the website or you can do it on your own. Make sure that the online aesthetic of your website matches the style of the clothes that you are going to sell. For example, if your boutique only deals with ethnic fashion, but your website has a limited color palette and minimalist design, people might end up confused. Choose a good name for the website and use fonts that are easily readable. To be more inclusive of people who may have reading disabilities, you may create an alternate version of the website with simple design and font like Arial or Comic Sans. While choosing the name, make sure that it's original and interesting. Sometimes people choose names that are too similar to pre-existing brands and that might end up causing problems. Next comes the color scheme. Try using colors that reflect your style and are easy on the eyes. Make sure the font stays readable in front of the background. Don't add in too many things and create a mess. Rather have a clear visual of the finished website in your head before you begin. The next and most important part of the website is your products. You have the option of showcasing all your products for variety, but do remember that sometimes less is more. Try showcasing the best of what you have to offer. You may change the collection seasonally to keep it fresh. Photograph the garments on both a mannequin and model. Try using models with different body shapes and size as your customers will also have different body sizes and this will give them an idea about how a particular garment may look like on them. Include proper size description If possible, give the measurement that you take while creating the garment. That is around the waist, hip, forearm, chest, etc. Next comes the interface. Make sure that your website is user friendly. Many people that use your website may not be tech savvy. So keep that in mind and create a website that can be used by everyone. Make sure the website is secure. Do not forget to add your contact number or email on the website. Do not forget to add your contact number or email on the website. If your shipping costs are too high or the shipping time is too long, you might end up losing customers. One way is to offer free domestic shipping. This is surefire way to grab a customer's attention. Or you may offer free shipping on an order that costs a minimum amount of whatever you think is appropriate. Another option is to charge the exact same amount that you get charged. This reduces the chances of error and is a generally good idea. You may outsource the shipping part to a third party. It entirely depends upon where you live and how wide the geographical demographic of your customer is. Last but not the least, another important factor to consider while running an online boutique is advertising. How will people find your website if they do not know that it exists? A good way is to put up advertisements of social media like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. You can also spread flyers and pamphlets containing the link of your website. Add offers like 10% off on your first online order or free shipping on your first 3 items. Finally, online boutiques are fast gaining popularity these days. Everyone spends a huge amount of time on their phones, and this gives a plenty of opportunities for any business venture to spread their reach. If planned properly, you might end up making more profit and selling more customers online than from your actual boutique.